Hi there!
Let's explore the trading alphabet today.
A is for app.
I agree, everything starts with the app. And if I'm a newbie, I will start with trading basics.
Such as charts. They are fundamental for price trend analysis and making precise trades.
You can practice that on demo in a riskless yet real market environment.
Absolutely. And in the meantime, education is essential for expanding your knowledge and skills.
For example, fixed time and forex are two different trading modes which may require a different set of skills.
True. And trading guides can be useful in mastering various market approaches.
Can I find all this information in the Help Center?
Absolutely. You can find this in the Help Center with many other useful things like the indicators nicely explained.
Okay, so which letter are we on now?
J. And we are doing just fine. Let's go on.
By the way, did you know that many beginners get easily demotivated by the initial trading losses and eventually quit trading?
Yeah, I know. That is why you need to keep trading and learning the market.
I agree. Profits require experience, and experience needs time.
Let's go on.
Let's go.
The market is a place where you can purchase useful perks and additional trading tools.
Such as signals, strategies, beautiful backgrounds, knowledge tools.
Knowledge tools?
Yeah.
What is that? Anyway, knowledge starts with a K.
Well, where are we now?
O for oscillators. In addition to trend indicators, they are essential for technical analysis.
I have a question now. What are postponed orders?
You can use postponed orders to tell the platform to open a trade at a specified time or price at your choosing.
Okay, now what do we have for Q?
Q. Quickler, a synthetic trading instrument developed for those who like fast trading.
You can check it out using the link in the description. Now, fast or intra-week, I think one of the most important factors for successful trading is a stable trading routine. What do you think?
Absolutely. Another important part is trading strategies. You can find them in the market. So, is everything related to trading is based on technical analysis? No. Traders who prefer to watch the news or read economic reports can always choose
fundamental analysis.
Speaking of fundamental analysis, you can always use them in addition or in place of technical analysis.
That's true. Now, I think we forgot to mention verification.
What about it? It takes just some few minutes to verify your profile. Just like withdrawals.
That's true, withdrawals are also very quick. Sometimes they may take longer because the platform processes millions of transactions every day. Alright, so we have now X, Y, and Z left. What do we have for X?
X. Nothing comes to mind with X. Experience is essential for successful trading.
Yeah, that's right, experience, right? Okay, then I can say your knowledge and determination is important for successful trading.
And Z?
Z. There is much more we will come back to with in the coming videos.
There is much more. What kind of language?
That is that trader's language.
I got it. Zigzag, indicator for Z.
Right, zigzag. Speaking of indicators, our traders, please share in the comments which indicators are your favorite so that in the coming videos
we can talk more about them.
See you.